How to change Facebook profile picture without posting. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can change Facebook profile picture without posting it on your timeline. Now, to do so, first open up the Facebook app. You'll get an interface like this if you are logged into your account. Make sure you're logged in and then head into your profile by tapping on the profile icon that you can see just below the home icon option. And here you'll be able to view your profile. Now, since I don't have any profile picture here, I won't be able to change it. However, I can add another one. Now you'll be able to change it if you just simply tap on it. You'll get the option to select profile picture or import from Instagram if you have linked to your account. Simply tap on select profile picture and it'll head you to your gallery. Now you can choose a picture from here. I'll just choose a quick picture right here. And then here at the bottom of the screen you can find the option, or the bottom of the post you can find the option share your update to newsfeed. Simply untick this. Make sure to untick this. You can see the blue tick mark here. Make sure to untick this, and if you save this, or here you'll get, and if you save this, your profile picture will be uploaded without it being posted on your profile or in your timeline. Now you can see that my profile has been updated, but it's not shown on my timeline as a post. So this way you can change your profile picture without posting. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.